All right, everybody, we were just at the manufacturing facility watching how these Tovey panels were being built. Now we're at the job site. We're gonna walk you through. This is an active job site, so you're gonna get to see a whole lot here. So come on inside. You gotta climb the scaffolding on these job sites to get to where you're going. And as you can tell, this is a lot of fun, and I love it. There isn't a better job in the world, because what we do, you can see progress every day happening in the construction industry. So come on up. All right, everybody, we are on the podium level of this Tovey job site, and I am staying with Matt and Russ. Matt, you are the project superintendent, correct?
That's correct.
Tell us a little bit about what your job is here.
My job is managing all the subs here, coordinating the deliveries, handling all the crane activities and logistics around the job, as well as maintaining the efficiencies of the job, making sure everybody's on point, and loops as we go up the building are maintaining systematically.
So you're the guy that's responsible for keeping this job running smooth.
That's it.
That's it. And Russ, tell us a little bit about what you do, because you're not only here, but you're in the factory as well.
Right, my main focus is in the factory, building the panels, keeping deliveries moving from raw materials and our suppliers back into the factory, but then also getting everything here to Matt as well.
All right, so we're standing on the podium. Can you guys lay out a little bit, Matt, like where are we at here on this build?
So we're on the second floor of a building here. There's retail underneath of us. There's gonna be a grocery store under there and some small retail stuff on this area. As we go up the building here, we're onto the second level apartments, and then we're gonna get to the 6th floor here. So everything, there's 39 units per floor, and we're stacking our system up to the 6th floor roof level.
Yeah, and right now you have 3 floors already here, and then you got 3 more to go on top?
Yep.
Right. How long has this project been going on now?
We got here about mid-August, and the duration should be right after Thanksgiving, something in that range.
Right after Thanksgiving. Now, Russ, tell us a little bit about this project. We got retail below, we got residential apartments above.
Yep, correct. So this is the Fairfax development. We have a Meijer grocery store underneath. We're building 5 stories to top out 6th floor, roughly 200 apartments, about 160,000 square feet. And with that, unit by unit, it's basically bringing it in from the Cleveland Clinic. So a lot of their interns, a lot of their people that work at the Cleveland Clinic will be staying and taking residency in here.
In here from the Cleveland Clinic. And the hospital is literally right across the street.
Right across the street.
Yeah, we saw the helicopters flying in this job. All right, so when we go inside, all right, we're gonna see several different things here. We're gonna see the panels that Tovey has built at the manufacturing facility earlier being already installed, because we have some floors done. And then we're gonna end up going up on the top floor, and we'll actually be able to see some of the benefits of how these units come in and how they do get installed on site. So why don't we walk out inside and go check it out?